Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the April RoccaBox. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So yeah, we are going to be unboxing the April RoccaBox. Let's get it out of here. This box costs £15 per month. I do believe you have to pay postage on top of that as well. I can't remember, make sure to double check that. If you are interested in this box, I'll link it down below for you. If you click that link, it's like a refer a friend link, it'll get you 20% of your first box. So always happy to have a bit of a saving, every penny helps. So yeah, here is the edit card. Oh well, it's a QR code for the edit card. That's just a quick sneak peek of what is in the box. And on the back there, it just says that's a limited edition box, the spring limited edition box, worth £385. And it'll cost you £40 to get it. But this box, the April box, let's have a look. Wellness Rituals, that is the name of the edit, and it has a value of £65. Self-care ritual can mean something different to everyone. It could be sitting down with a cuppa to do your at-home pedi, walk with a podcast or a face mask, in your favourite book, whichever it might be for you. We've rounded up 5 products that we've recently incorporated into our own routines. This box contains 4 full-size products and a delicious mini. Let's get to it. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I kind of hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right, just scanning the QR code. And it works because it's black, so that's fantastic. First product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Fewe. I hope I'm saying that correctly. There it is there. If I've pronounced it wrong, I have a habit of doing that. So this is, right, it says CBD serum, and you're going to get 1 of a possible 4. Okay, so they have a value of £20. So let's have a look. Fewe has been a brand on our radar for a while. They create innovative and science-based products that have been carefully designed to support us girls through menstrual cycles. Each product is particularly effective during certain stages during your cycle, broken down into 4 stages, and you can read all about those here. So the first one you could possibly get, you could get one called Thirst Trap, which is a radiance restoring hyaluronic acid serum designed to hydrate your skin at its most thirsty. You could get Up and Glow, which is a vitamin C packed CBD brightening serum for when your skin lacks oomph. Or you could get one called Seeking Clarity, a purifying and plumping serum which helps to cleanse and reduce the size of pores whilst reviving the skin. Or last but not least, you could get Spot the Difference, a blemish busting salicylic acid serum for when your skin is at its most dramatic. Okay, so the one I have received in my box is this one. This is the Get Up and Glow Moisture and Radiance Serum. I cannot wait to use this. Oh yeah, this moisturising and radiance boosting serum blends CBD and vitamin C to give you a glowy, bright complexion. Apply 2 pumps to clean skin, AM and PM. Sounds good to me. Let's open this up. I've never heard of this brand before, I don't think. It's not ringing any bells. Ooh, so that's what it looks like. So this is glass. Very nice packaging, very unusual, and you have like a little pump mechanism there. So yeah, I'm going to leave that sealed because I want it to be nice and fresh when I do come to use it. But it sounds awesome and I can't wait to try it out. Second product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Manucurist, and it's green nail polish. Well, it's obviously not green nail polish, but it's part of the brand. You can see there it's all green. So you're going to get 1 of 3 shades. You're either going to get pink sand or pastel pink, or that's, I can't say that, Bois de Rose. Oh, I balls that up all right. And the shade I have got is the Bois de Rose one, obviously the one I can't pronounce. With the warmer weather on the horizon, taking 30 minutes to sprouse up your toes is a fantastic idea for self-care. A totally advanced nail polish powered by plants without compromise on shine and wear time. Quick dry, ultra resistant, intense glossy finish. What more could you ask for? Yeah, that sounds kind of cool. And there's a pro tip here as well. The fridge is the best place to store it. Reducing the temperature helps prevent the polish from evaporating and slows down the rate of which the ingredients deteriorate. Yeah, nice. I quite like that. I'll have to try that out and see if it's any good. It's an absolute beautiful colour. Really, really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try that. What I like to do, I used to kind of cringe getting these. I thought, oh, I like my gel polishes. But what I started doing, I like to, especially on my toes, I generally keep my hands clear unless I go to a manicurist because I look like a 2-year-old's attacked me because I'm that good at putting it on. What I like to do is to pop this colour on, like 2 coats, and then I get my clear gel top coat and then cure it with the light, and it makes it last a bit longer again. But yeah, really, really like that colour. It's nice to get something other than red because they normally give you red. Third product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Illamasqua, and it's an antimatter lipstick in the shade Cosmic or Bling. Again, it's a full-size product. It has a value of £20. It's a semi-matte formula designed to provide enduring, hydrating colour to your lips. It nourishes while still delivering a pigment colour. Encased in the iconic black packaging, it's a must-have for cruelty-free beauty enthusiasts. And rest assured, it's vegan-friendly too. Which shade will you get? Yes, which shade will I get? It just says Cosmic Antimatter. I don't know. Let's open it up and see if it's got it on the inside. Cosmic. I have it in the shade Cosmic. Okay, so there. I don't know what you can't see. I don't know why I'm showing you it. Ooh, it matches the nail polish. That is beautiful. I'm actually not wearing anything on my lips now. Let's pop it on. So that is what it looks like on. It's a beautiful colour. This is a fantastic everyday colour. If you just want a tiny pop of colour without being too bold and in your face. Ooh, yeah. Nice. Fourth product in the box. It's by the brand Brushworks, and it just says here, you're going to get a pamper product and you could receive one of 2 options. So let's have a look. You're either going to get the Brushworks Cleansing Mask Applicator, which is a full-size product and has a value of £7.49. It's a silicone applicator which serves as a mess-free and hygienic alternative to face masks, cleansers, moisturisers and scrubs. Okay, or you could get the Defining Brow Set. Again, full-size product, and it has a value of £9.99. So there is a small price difference there, which is fine. It's only a couple of pounds, but I'm glad to say I got the more expensive one. I got the Defining Brow Set. So there it is there. It looks kind of cool actually. Featuring a spoolie to shape your brows, curved scissors to trim your brow hair, and precise slanted tweezers to care for stray hairs. This trio is a beauty essential. Yeah, cool. I really like that. It's a really nice set. I'm always on the lookout for new tweezers because I'm constantly losing mine all the time. And yeah, I do actually really like to trim my eyebrows down. They can get quite long. So yeah, nice little spoolie and little scissors there. What a lovely little set. And if you're not interested in it for yourself, it's a great little gift set to give somebody as a gift. So the 5th and final product in the box is by the brand Dose Labs, and you're going to get one of 2 products. Both products are a 3-day sample of gummies, which is going to contain like vitamins and minerals and stuff. It like has a value of £4. So the first one you could get is called Zoned In, and it's a good dose of focus with a dash of concentration. Each gummy tastes of sour raspberries that are packed with ginseng, green tea and zinc. Or you could get Jumpstart, which is a good dose of energy with a loving kick up the ass. Ooh, I like that. Each gummy tastes like a juicy mango, and it's packed with vitamin C, B12, D and zinc. Which one will you get? I got this one. Which one is it? I got zoned in. Oh, okay. I mean, it sounds good. I would have liked the jump start. That would have been great for the gym. But yeah, I got this one. Still awesome. Let's open it up and have a little treat. It has like a thingy date there as well. Make sure you check that. But yeah, let's open it. Smells a bit weird, if I'm honest. It just says the dosage is 2 gummies every day, and yeah, there's 3 servings. Right, sour raspberry. Let's give this a go. That is what they look like. Not too sour. That's quite nice. They're really quite scrumptious. Yeah, cool. I'll have to keep them on the side, so for the next 2 days after today I'll remember to take them. Right guys, so this is the April RoccaBox, the Wellness Rituals Edit, with a value of £65. What do you think? Personally, I'm really liking this box. Yeah, I really am actually. I love the little set that we've got in there, the little brow set. I think it's awesome. The lipstick by Illamasqua. Love the brand Illamasqua, first of all. But the shade I received, very, very pretty. I'll definitely be using this over and over again. A lovely CBD serum. Get Up and Glow is the one I've got. Which one did you get? Comment down below. And yeah, a nice little nail polish, which is a lovely shade to match the lip. So overall, yeah, I think it's really nice. Do you like the Dose Labs gummies that they've given you? What do you think of them? I kind of like them. They smell dodgy though, I must admit. They do smell dodgy, but they taste all right. Yeah, as I say, it gets a massive thumbs up from me. Again, if you are interested in this box, it's linked down below. Press that link, it'll get you 20% off your first box, which is always great to have a saving. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.